Tips of memory.
He has never been to Ranchi. वो कभी रांची गए ही नहीं. He insists. वो हमेशा यही बोल रहे थे कि मैं तो कभी रांची गया ही नहीं. Though there are many witnesses to the contrary. लेकिन वो रांची गए थे, इस बात को प्रूव करने के लिए बहुत सारे एविडेंस थे. Now what is the suspense all about? But फिर आखिर में हुआ क्या, वो सब स्टोरी के बाद ही पता चलेगा. चलो, अब every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kali Charan's in New Markets to buy books. Every Monday उनका रूटीन था कि जब वो वापस जाते थे, अपने काम से वापस जाते थे, तो वो काली चरण जो कि न्यू मार्केट में बुक्स की शॉप है, वहां पर रुकते थे बुक्स खरीदने के लिए. Crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. Crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. इस तरह की बुक्स वो खरीदते थे और वो मंडे को जाके 5 बुक्स लेते थे और वो 5 बुक्स उनकी पूरे वीक चल जाती थी. He lived alone. वो अकेले रहा करते थे. Was not a good mixer. वो लोगों से मिक्स नहीं होते थे. Had few friends. बहुत कम फ्रेंड्स थे उनके. And didn't like spending time in idle chat. और उनको नहीं पसंद था कि वो अपना जो टाइम है वो फालतू की बातों में वेस्ट करे. Today at Kali Charan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. अब आज क्या हुआ, जब वो कालीचरण की बुक वाली शॉप पे गए तो उनको ऐसा लगा कि कोई उनको उनके आसपास ही है और उनको कोई घूर रहा है. He turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. जब उन्होंने टर्न किया तो देखा कि पास में ही एक आदमी खड़ा था और वो एकदम पोलाइटली उनकी तरफ देख रहा था. और जब इन्होंने टर्न करके उसको देखा तो इनको देखकर वो स्माइल करने लगा. I don't suppose you recognize me. उस आदमी ने बोला कि ऐसा लगता है कि आपने मुझे पहचाना नहीं. Have we met before? asked Bipin Babu. उन्होंने बोला कि क्या हम पहले मिल चुके हैं? The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day for a whole week. मैन जो था वो उनकी ये बात सुन के एकदम से सरप्राइज हो गया. उसने बोला हम पूरे एक हफ्ते तक मिलते रहे हैं. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hadru Falls in 1958 in Ranchi. उसने बोला कि मैंने आपके लिए कार का अरेंजमेंट किया था जो आपको हड्रू फॉल्स तक लेकर जाती 1958 में रांची में. My name is परिमल घोष. फिर उसने अपना नेम भी बता दिया, रांची. और जब विपिन बाबू ने सुना रांची तो थोड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क जैसा उनका फेस हो गया. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he but this man who was making a mistake. विपिन बाबू समझ गए कि एक्चुअल में मैं कोई मिस्टेक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये आदमी मिस्टेक कर रहा है, गलती से ये मुझे कोई और समझ रहा है. विपिन बाबू had never been to Ranchi. विपिन बाबू तो कभी रांची गए ही नहीं. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. बहुत बार ऐसा चांस हुआ कि वो रांची जाए लेकिन एक्चुअल में वो एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो सका प्लान, तो वो कभी गए. He smiled and said, Do you know who I am? फिर उन्होंने स्माइल करते हुए पूछा कि तुम्हें मालूम भी है कि मैं कौन हूँ? The man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue and said, मैन ने अपनी आईब्रो उठाते हुए ऐसे बोला, ऐसे करके बोला, Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? उसने बोला ये कैसा क्वेश्चन है कि मैं आपको जानता हूँ कि नहीं. विपिन बाबू को कौन नहीं जानता. Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelf and said, अब विपिन बाबू वापस बुक शेल्फ की तरफ टर्न हो गए और बोले, Still you are making a mistake. One often does. उन्होंने बोला कि अभी भी तुम मिस्टेक कर रहे हो, कुछ गलती कर रहे हो, लोगों से हो जाती है गलती. I have never been to रांची. मैं तो कभी रांची गया ही नहीं. The man now laughed aloud. अब वो आदमी जोर से हंसने लगा. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hadru and cut your right knee. हाँ, उसने बोला कि कैसी बात कर रहे हो आप मिस्टर चौधरी, आप हड्रू गए थे, वहां पे आप गिर गए और आपकी राइट नी में कट भी लगा था. आई ब्रॉट यू आयोडीन, मैं आपके लिए आयोडीन लाया था. आई हैड फिक्स्ड अप अ कार फॉर यू टू गो टू नेतरहाट द नेक्स्ट डे, और मैंने आपके लिए एक कार का अरेंजमेंट किया था ताकि आप नेतरहाट जा सके अगले दिन. बट यू कुडंट बिकॉज ऑफ द पेन इन द नी. लेकिन आप नी में पेन होने की वजह से अगले दिन नहीं जा पाए. Can't you recall anything? क्या आपको कुछ भी याद नहीं है? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. उस समय रांची में और भी कोई था, मिस्टर दिनेश मुखर्जी. मिस्टर दिनेश मुखर्जी भी वहां पर थे. You stayed in a bungalow. आप एक बंगलो में रुके थे. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by बावर्ची. और आपने ऐसा भी बोला था कि आपको होटल का खाना पसंद नहीं है, सो आपको एक कुक, एक बावर्ची चाहिए जो आपका खाना बना सके. मिस्टर मुखर्जी stayed with his sister, और मिस्टर मुखर्जी अपनी सिस्टर के साथ वहां रुके थे. You had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember? आपको मून लैंडिंग के बारे में बहुत बड़ा आपका आपस में आर्ग्यूमेंट भी हो गया था, याद है आपको? I'll tell you more. Someone is unmuted. I'll tell you more. मैं आपको और भी बताता हूँ. You always carried a bag with your books. आप हमेशा एक बैग लेके चलते थे जिसमें बुक्स होती थी. On your sightseeing trips, जब आप sightseeing के लिए जाते थे. Am I right or not? Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Bipin Babu एकदम शांत थे और उनकी आंखें अभी भी बुक्स पर ही थी, और वो बोले, Which month in 1958 are you talking about? तुम 1958 में कौन से महीने की बात कर रहे हो? The man said October. No sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 1958 with a friend in Kanpur. तो उसने बोला कि नो, ऐसा तो नहीं है, क्योंकि उन दिनों मैं कानपुर में एक फ्रेंड के वहां पूजा में गया था. You are making a mistake. आप गलती कर रहे हैं. Good day. और ऐसा बोल के गुड डे बोल के वो खड़े हो गए. But the man didn't go, nor did he stop talking. लेकिन वो आदमी ना तो वहां से गया और ना ही उसने बोलना बंद किया. Very strange. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. उसने बोला कि कितनी अजीब बात है, एक शाम को मैंने आपके साथ आपके बंगलो के वेरांडा में आपके साथ चाय भी पी थी. You spoke about your family. आपने अपनी फैमिली के बारे में बताया था. You said you had no children. आपने बोला था कि आपके बच्चे नहीं हैं, and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. और 10 साल पहले ही आपकी वाइफ की डेथ हो गई है. Your only brother had died insane. और आपका जो ब्रदर है वो मतलब पागल हो गया था. Which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. और आप इसीलिए वहां मेंटल हॉस्पिटल में नहीं जाना चाहते थे. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. जब बिपिन बाबू ने पेमेंट कर दी बुक्स की और वहां से जाने लगे, तब वो मैन उनको बहुत ज्यादा अविश्वसनीय नजरों से, मतलब बहुत ही हैरान होकर, सरप्राइजिंगली उनको देख रहा था. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. अब उनकी कार जो थी वहीं पर यहाँ पर पार्क की गई थी बेट्रम स्ट्रीट पर, जो लाइट हाउस सिनेमा के पास था. He told the driver as he got into the car. और जैसे ही वो कार में एंटर हुए, उन्होंने बोला, just drive by the Ganga, will you, सीताराम? सीताराम उनका जो ड्राइवर था उनको बोलते हैं कि क्या तुम गंगा के किनारे किनारे ड्राइव करोगे? Driving up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. अब जब वो कार में बैठे हुए थे तो उनको लगा कि मैंने बेकार में ही उस आदमी पर इतना ध्यान दिया। He had never been to Ranchi. मैं तो कभी रांची गया ही नहीं हूँ। No question about it. इस मैटर में कोई मुझे confusion नहीं है, कोई डाउट ही नहीं है। It was inconceivable that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. ऐसा तो कभी हो ही नहीं सकता कि ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट जो सिर्फ 6-7 साल पहले हुआ हो, वो भी ऐसा बड़ा इंसिडेंट, वो मैं भूल जाऊं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। He had an excellent memory. उनकी काफी अच्छी याददाश्त है। Unless Bipin Babu's head reeled. हाँ,
Ma'am, what is the meaning of reeled?
रील्ड मतलब घूम रहा था, उनका सब याददाश्त मतलब सारी चीजें याद कर रहे। Was he losing his mind? उनको लगा कि क्या वो थोड़े क्रेजी हो रहे हैं, क्या वो सच में चीजें बोल रहे हैं? But how could that be? लेकिन ये कैसे हो सकता है? He was working daily in his office. वो रोज अपने ऑफिस में काम करते हैं। It was a big firm and he was doing a responsible job. ये काफी बड़ी कंपनी है और वो अपना काम काफी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ कर रहे हैं। He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. उनको नहीं याद है कि उन्होंने कभी ऐसी चीज करी हो जो इतनी ज्यादा गलत हो। Only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting. आज ही उन्होंने एक मीटिंग में प्रेजेंटेशन दी थी और आधे घंटे तक उन्होंने बोला था। And yet the man knew a great deal about him. फिर yet मतलब फिर से वो सोचने लगते हैं, सब ठीक है कि मुझे सब कुछ अच्छे से याद है, मैं रांची नहीं गया था, लेकिन फिर भी उस आदमी को इनके बारे में काफी कुछ पता है। How? He even seems to know some intimate details. कुछ अंदर की बातें भी पता है। The bag of books, wife's death, brother's insanity. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. सारी बातें उस आदमी को करेक्ट पता है, बस ये एक बात जो है कि वो रांची गए थे, यही एक गलत है जो उसको ठीक नहीं पता। Not a mistake, a deliberate lie. एक्चुअली में ये कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है, वो पर्पसली झूठ बोल रहा है। In 1958, during the pujas, he was in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bagchi's place. 1958 में वो अपने फ्रेंड हरिदास बागची के घर गए थे पूजा के लिए कानपुर में। All Bipin Babu had to do was write to. No, there was no way of writing to Haridas. उनको लगा कि क्यों ना मैं हरिदास को एक लेटर लिख दूं और उससे कंफर्म कर लूं, लेकिन जब वो सोचने लगे कि ना कि लिखूं मैं उनको लेटर, तो उन्होंने उससे पहले नहीं लिखना इज नॉट ओके, लिखकर क्या करूंगा। Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife for Japan some weeks ago and he didn't have his address. फिर अचानक से उन्हें याद आया कि जो हरिदास है वो अपनी वाइफ के साथ जापान चला गया है और उनके पास उसका एड्रेस भी नहीं है। But where was the need for proof? लेकिन प्रूफ की क्या जरूरत है? He himself was fully aware that he hadn't been to Ranchi. वो खुद अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि वो कभी रांची नहीं गए, and that was that. मतलब ये फाइनल है। The river breeze was bracing, and yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. जो हवा थी वो बहुत जेंटली चल रही थी, बहुत अच्छी लग रही थी, लेकिन फिर भी बिपिन बाबू के माइंड में हल्की सी थोड़ी टेंशन थी। Around Hastings, Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his right knee. अब उनको याद आया कि उसने आदमी ने बोला था कि उनके राइट नी में कट लगा हुआ है, तो उन्होंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं अपने ट्राउजर को रोल करके ऊपर चेक करूं। There was the mark of an old inch-long cut. जब उन्होंने देखा टर्न करके तो उनको थोड़ा लंबा सा कट दिखाई दिया अपनी राइट नी में। It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. अब लेकिन उनको ये कंफर्म नहीं था कि ये इंजरी, ये चोट उनको कब लगी। Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee? ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि बचपन में वो कभी खेलते खेलते गिर गए हो और उनको कट लग गया हो. He tried to recall such an incident but couldn't. उन्होंने बहुत ट्राई किया ऐसे किसी इंसिडेंट को याद करने की कोशिश की बट उन्हें याद नहीं आया. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of दिनेश मुखर्जी. फिर वो दिनेश मुखर्जी के बारे में सोचने लगे. The man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. उस आदमी ने बोला था कि दिनेश भी उनके साथ रांची में था उस समय. The best thing surely would be to ask him. क्यों ना मैं उसी से ही पूछ लूं. He lived quite near in Beni Nandan Street. वो काफी पास में रहता है. What about going right now? क्यों ना मैं अभी चला जाऊं. But then if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? लेकिन फिर वो ये भी सोचने लगे कि अगर वो आदमी को ये पता चलेगा कि बिपिन बाबू को इतनी सी बात नहीं याद है, वो मुझसे कंफर्म कर रहे हैं, he would probably conclude Bipin Babu was going nuts. तो वो आदमी जरूर ये सोचेगा कि बिपिन बाबू पागल हो गए हैं. No, it would be ridiculous to ask him. तो उनको लगा कि दिनेश से बात करना बेकार है, तो उन्होंने ये आइडिया भी ड्रॉप कर दिया. And he knew how ruthless Dinesh sarcasm could be. और उनको ये भी मालूम था कि दिनेश काफी sarcastic person है. That means कि अगर किसी की गलती पता चल जाए तो वो काफी मजाक बनाता है उसका. Sipping a cold drink in his air-conditioned living room, Bipin Babu felt at ease again. अब अपने एयर कंडीशन रूम में जब वो कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी रहे थे तो वो थोड़े शांत हो गए, माहौल थोड़ा ठीक हो गया. Such a nuisance. उन्होंने बोला कि क्या बकवास है. Just because they have nothing else to do, they go about getting into other people's hair. उन्होंने बोला कि लोगों के पास काम करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है तो वो दूसरों की लाइफ में एंटर करते हैं और उनको परेशान करते हैं. After dinner, snuggling in bed with one of the new thrillers, Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in New Market. अब डिनर के बाद वो अपने बेड में अपनी एक बुक लेकर खोलकर बैठ गए, थ्रिलर बुक, उसको रीड करने लगे तो बस बाकी चीजें धीरे धीरे भूल गए कि न्यू मार्केट में क्या हुआ था. Next day in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. अब अगले दिन जब वो ऑफिस में गए तो उनको ऐसा फील हुआ कि हर जैसे जैसे टाइम पास हो रहा है उनके माइंड में वो जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था न्यू मार्केट वाला वो ज्यादा ज्यादा आता जा रहा और बार बार आ रहा. If the man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about the Ranchi trip? अगर वो आदमी बिपिन बाबू के बारे में इतना सब जानता है तो वो रांची ट्रिप के बारे में कैसे रॉन्ग हो सकता है. Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. अब बिपिन बाबू ने फाइनली सोच लिया कि लंच के पहले मैं उसको दिनेश मुखर्जी को कॉल करके देखूंगा. It was better to settle the question over the phone. At least the embarrassment on his face wouldn't show. उन्होंने सोचा कि मैं दिनेश को कॉल करूंगा तो कम से कम अगर मेरे फेस पे कुछ शर्म या ऐसे कुछ एम्बैरेसमेंट होगी तो वो उसको दिखेगी नहीं. ओके 235616 ये फोन नंबर है. बिपिन बाबू डायल्ड द नंबर. हेलो, इज दैट दिनेश? दिस इज बिपिन हियर. अब उन्होंने बोला ऐसे, वेल वेल व्हाट्स द न्यूज़. अब सामने से दिनेश ने बोला, अरे वाह क्या बात है, आज कैसे कॉल किया. I just wanted to find out if you recalled an incident which took place in 1958. मतलब उन्होंने कुछ ज्यादा बात ही नहीं करी, सीधा यही बात बोली. मैं सिर्फ ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि तुम्हें ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट याद है जिसमें जो 1958 में हुआ था. 1958 व्हाट इंसिडेंट? तो दिनेश ने ऐसा बोला कि किस इंसिडेंट की बात कर रहे हो. Were you in Calcutta? Were you in Calcutta right through that year? That's the first thing I've got to know. क्या तुम उस पूरे ड्यूरेशन में कैलकाटा में थे? मुझे ये बताओ पहले। वही जस्ट अ मिनट। तो उसने बोला रुको एक मिनट, 1958, जस्ट लेट मी चेक इन माय डायरी, मुझे मेरी डायरी चेक करने दो। फॉर अ मिनट देयर वाज साइलेंस, एक मिनट के लिए वहां साइलेंस हो गया। बिपिन बाबू कुड फील दैट हिज हार्ट बीट हैड गॉन अप, उनको लगा कि उनकी जो दिल की धड़कन है एकदम तेज हो रही है। He was sweating a little, थोड़ा थोड़ा पसीना भी निकल रहा था। Hello, yes, I've got it. I've been out twice. उसने बोला कि मुझे मिल गया है। उस साल मैं 2 बार बाहर गया था। Where? कहाँ गए थे? Once in February, nearby to Krishnanagar to a nephew's wedding, and then but you know about this one, लेकिन दूसरी विजिट के बारे में तो तुमको भी पता है। The trip to Ranchi, you were there too, तुम भी तो वही थे। That's all, but what's all the slithering about? लेकिन तुम ये सारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन क्यों कर रहे हो? No, I just wanted to anyway thanks, मतलब उसने पूरी बात नहीं बताई विपिन ने। उसने बोला कि मैं सिर्फ ये जानना चाहता था कि ओके चलो ठीक है बाय, और ऐसा कह के उसने फोन डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया। विपिन बाबू स्लैम्ड द रिसीवर डाउन एंड ग्रिप्ड हिज हेड विद हैंड्स, उसने अपना सिर पकड़ लिया हाथों से। ही फेल्ट हिज हेड स्विमिंग, उनको लगा कि उनका जो सिर है वो डूब रहा है। अ चिल सीम्ड टू स्प्रेड ओवर हिज बॉडी, पूरी बॉडी में ठंड की एक लहर दौड़ गई। There were sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he didn't eat them. उनके लंच में सैंडविचेस थे, लेकिन उन्होंने नहीं खाए। He had lost his appetite. उनको मतलब उनकी भूख खत्म हो गई थी। Continue रखूं?
Ma'am, may I read?
See, if you will read now, I would like to read by myself because I am explaining. After my explanation, we can reread the chapter one by one. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So shall I continue?
बराबर है।
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
After lunchtime, Bipin Babu realized that he couldn't possibly carry on sitting at his desk and working. अब लंच के बाद जब इतना बड़ा इंसिडेंट हो गया, उनको पता चल गया कि रांची की ट्रिप हुई थी, तो उनका सिर चकरा रहा था। और लंच और लंच के बाद उनको लगा कि अब वो और ज्यादा बैठकर ऑफिस में काम नहीं कर पाएंगे। This had never happened in the 25 years he had been with the firm. इतने 25 years तक वो इस कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं, ऐसा उनके साथ कभी नहीं हुआ कि उनको चक्कर आ रहे हो और उनको कहीं जाना हो। He had a reputation for being a tireless, conscientious worker. 25 सालों से उनकी रेप्यूटेशन ऐसी है कि वो बिना थके काम करते हैं और बहुत सोच समझ के ठीक काम करते हैं। But today his head was in a whirl. लेकिन आज उनका जो सिर था वो चकरा रहा था, कंफ्यूज हो रहे थे। Back home at 2:30, Bipin Babu lay down in bed and tried to gather his wits together. अब जब वो घर पहुंचे 2:30, वो बेड में लेट गए और उन्होंने कोशिश की कि वो सब कुछ याद करने की कोशिश करें। He knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury. उनको ये तो मालूम था कि अगर किसी इंसान को कभी चोट लग जाती है तो उसको उसकी याददाश्त में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है। But he didn't know of a single instance of someone remembering everything except one particular incident. लेकिन ऐसा उन्होंने कभी नहीं सुना था कि एक इंसान को सब कुछ याद है लेकिन छोटा सा एक इंसिडेंट है वो याद नहीं आ रहा। And a fairly recent and significant one as that, और वो भी ऐसा इंसिडेंट जो अभी कुछ टाइम पहले ही हुआ था और काफी मतलब ऐसा था कि हम उनको याद रख सके कहीं की भी।
चला जनता ना कर रहा है, जनता ना करती सकती को बाबिया बड़ी पागे जीवन बचाना है।
रुद्र पटेल, please mute. Sneh and Rudra, yes.
मैम मैं अभी
म्यूट
बाहर हूँ तो मैम
रुद्र।
अपनी वीडियो चालू नहीं कर पाऊंगा मैम।
हाँ जी,
मैम अभी मैं
वो
बाहर हूँ तो अपनी
ऐसा कह
वीडियो
रहा है
चालू
कि
नहीं
वो
कर पाऊंगा।
अभी यार स्टोरी कर रहे हैं, उसको करने तो मजा आ रहा है स्टोरी में, तो ब्रेक मत करो फ्लो को। ओके, he had always wanted to go to रांची, वो हमेशा से रांची जाना चाहते थे। to have gone there, done things and not to remember was something utterly impossible. जाना जरूर चाहते थे रांची, लेकिन वो रांची जा चुके हैं, उन्होंने कुछ वहां पर काम भी किए हैं और एक भी काम उनको याद नहीं आ रहा। ये थोड़ी अजीब सी बात है। At 7:30, Bipin Babu's servant came and announced, Chunni Babu sir says it's very important. अब 7:30 विपिन बाबू के घर में उनका जो सर्वेंट आया, उनके रूम में आया, उनको बोलता है कि आपसे चुन्नी बाबू मिलने आए हैं, कि आपसे चुन्नी बाबू मिलने आए हैं, और वो कह रहे हैं कि काफी इंपॉर्टेंट काम है। विपिन बाबू न्यू व्हाट चुन्नी हैड कम फॉर। विपिन बाबू को मालूम था कि चुन्नी क्यों आया है। चुन्नीलाल had been at school with him. चुन्नीलाल उनके साथ स्कूल में पढ़ता था। He had been having a rough time lately and had been coming to see him about a job. अब उसका थोड़ा खराब समय चल रहा था, तो वो विपिन बाबू से किसी जॉब के सिलसिले में मिलने आया था। विपिन बाबू knew it was not possible to do anything for him. विपिन बाबू को मालूम था कि वो कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसके लिए, and in fact told him so. और उन्होंने उसको कह भी दिया था कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकता। But चुन्नी kept turning up like a bad penny. लेकिन चुन्नी बाबू भी खोटे सिक्के की तरह बार-बार वापस आ जाते। ठीक है। विपिन बाबू sent word that not only was it not possible for him to see Chunni now, but not in several weeks. विपिन बाबू ने क्या किया, अपने सर्वेंट को बोला कि उसको जाके बोल दो कि मैं उससे आज ही नहीं अगले कुछ वीक्स तक नहीं मिल पाऊंगा। ठीक है, तो सर्वेंट ने सुन लिया। बट as soon as the servant stepped out of the room, it struck Bipin Babu that Chunni might remember something about the 1958 trip. लेकिन जैसे ही सर्वेंट बाहर गया, उनको लगा कि शायद चुन्नी को कुछ याद हो 1958 की ट्रिप के बारे में। There was no harm in asking him. उससे पूछने में कोई खराबी नहीं है। Bipin Babu hurried down the stairs and into the living room. Bipin Babu फटाफट भाग के सीधा लिविंग रूम में पहुंचे। चुन्नी was about to leave. चुन्नी बस निकलने ही वाला था, but seeing Bipin Babu appear, he turned round hopefully. लेकिन जब उसने देखा कि विपिन बाबू आ रहे हैं, फटाफट उनकी तरफ टर्न हो गया कि शायद कुछ गुड न्यूज हो मेरी जॉब के लिए। विपिन बाबू didn't beat about the bush. विपिन बाबू ने भी कुछ और बात नहीं करी, सीधा टॉपिक पे आ गए। Listen, Chunni, I want to ask you something. You have a good memory and you have been seeing me off and on for a long time. उन्होंने बोला कि चुन्नी, मुझसे तुझे कुछ पूछना है। तुम्हारी काफी अच्छी याददाश्त है और तुम मुझे काफी लंबे समय से जानती भी हो और तुमने मुझे देखा है मेरे सारे लाइफ के ड्यूरेशन में। Just throw your mind back and tell me, did I go to Ranchi in 1958? जरा अपना दिमाग पीछे लेकर जाओ और बताओ कि क्या 1958 में मैं रांची गया था। Chunni said 1958. It must have been 1958, or was it 59? You're sure that I did go to Ranchi? चुन्नी ने बोला कि ये 58 में था या 59 में। तो विपिन बोलते हैं कि तुम श्योर हो कि मैं रांची गया था? Chunni's look of amazement was not unmixed with worry. चुन्नी की जो वो अमेज्ड था, काफी उनको देखकर शॉक्ड था। Do you mean you have doubts about having gone at all? तो चुन्नी ने बोला इसका मतलब है कि आपको डाउट है कि आप वहां गए थे कि नहीं गए थे। Did I go? Do you remember clearly? तुम्हें अच्छे से याद है कि मैं वहां गया था? Chunni sat down on the sofa, fixed Bipin Babu with a long hard stare and said, चुन्नी सोफे पर बैठ गया, उसने ध्यान से बिपिन को देखा और बोले, बिपिन, you have taken to drugs or something? कि क्या तुम ड्रग्स वगैरह लेने लग गए हो क्या आजकल? As far as I know, you had a clean record where such things were concerned. जहां तक मैं जानता हूँ तुम इस तरह की कोई हरकत नहीं करते हो. I know that old friendship don't mean much to you. ये मुझे पता है कि तुम्हारे पुराने फ्रेंड्स की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है तुम्हारी नजर में, but at least you had a good memory. लेकिन तुम्हारी याददाश्त काफी अच्छी है. You can't really mean that you have forgotten about the Ranchi trip. तुम रांची ट्रिप के बारे में भूल गए हो, यही कहना चाह रहे हो क्या? Bipin Babu had to turn away from Chunni's incredulous stare. अब बिपिन बाबू थोड़े शर्मिंदा हो गए और उसकी जो घूर रहा था ना उनको, वो उनसे बर्दाश्त नहीं हुआ, तो वो टर्न करके जाने लगे. Do you remember what my last job was? चुन्नी ने बोला कि क्या आपको याद है कि मेरी लास्ट कौन सी जॉब थी? Of course, you worked in a travel agency. हाँ, तुम एक ट्रैवल एजेंसी में काम करते थे. You remember that, and you don't remember that it was I who fixed up your railway booking for Ranchi. तो उसने बोला कि तुम्हें ये तो याद है कि मैं कहाँ काम करता था, तो तुम्हें ये याद नहीं है कि मैंने ही तुम्हारी टिकट्स बुक करी थी रांची के लिए. I went to the station to see you off. मैं तुम्हें स्टेशन पर भी छोड़ने आया था. One of the fans in our compartment was not working. हमारे कंपार्टमेंट में एक फैन भी वर्क नहीं कर रहा था. So I got an electrician to fix it. तो मैं इलेक्ट्रिशियन को लेकर आया उसे ठीक करवाने के लिए. Have you forgotten everything? क्या तुम सब कुछ भूल गए हो? Whatever is the matter with you, you don't look too well. You know, जो भी प्रॉब्लम है तुम ठीक नहीं लग रहे हो. बिपिन बाबू sighed and shook his head. बिपिन बाबू बेचारे कुछ बोले नहीं, ऐसे करके जाने लगे. I've been working too hard. उन्होंने बोला कि शायद मैंने कुछ ज्यादा ही काम कर लिया है. That must be the reason. यही रीजन होगा. Must see about consulting a specialist. मुझे जरूर एक स्पेशलिस्ट से मिलना चाहिए. Doubtless, it was Bipin's condition which made Chunni Lal leave without mentioning anything about the job. अब चुन्नी उनसे अपनी जॉब के बारे में क्या बात करता, उसने देखा कि ये तो वैसे ही परेशान हैं, अब मैं अपनी जॉब के बारे में क्या बात करूं, तो वो बिना कुछ अपनी जॉब के बारे में बात किए हुए चला गया. Paresh Chanda was a young physician with a pair of bright eyes and a sharp nose. अब परेश चंदा एक न्यू कैरेक्टर है इसमें. वो एक फिजिशियन है, ब्राइट आईज, शार्प नोज. He became thoughtful when he heard about Bipin Babu's symptoms. वो थोड़ा सोच में पड़ गया जब उसने बिपिन बाबू की ये बीमारी के बारे में सुना. Look, Dr. Chanda. अब बिपिन ने बोला कि देखिए डॉक्टर चंदा, you must cure me of this horrible illness. आप प्लीज मुझे इस मुसीबत वाली जो बीमारी है इससे मुक्ति दिलवाइए. I can't tell you how it's affecting my work. मैं बता नहीं सकता कि मेरा काम पे कितना अफेक्ट हो रहा है इसकी वजह से. डॉक्टर चंदा shook his head. डॉक्टर चंदा भी थोड़े सोच में थे. You know what, Mr. Chaudhary, I've never had to deal with a case such as yours. उन्होंने बोला कि मैंने आपके जैसा जो केस है वो कभी नहीं डील किया. Frankly, this is quite outside my field of experience. इस तरह का केस मेरे एक्सपीरियंस के बाहर की बात है. But I have one suggestion. लेकिन फिर भी मैं एक सजेशन देना चाहता हूँ. I don't know if it will work. मुझे नहीं पता कि ये सजेशन काम करेगा या नहीं. But it's worth a try. लेकिन आप एक ट्राई कर सकते हैं. It can do no harm. इससे कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा. विपिन बाबू leaned forward anxiously. विपिन बाबू थोड़ा झुककर सुनने लगे. As far as I can make out, and think you are of the same opinion, you must have been to Ranchi, but due to some unknown reason, the entire episode had slipped out of your mind. तो अब डॉक्टर ने बोला कि जहां तक मुझे समझ में आ रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप रांची गए थे, लेकिन किसी अननोन रीजन की वजह से ये पूरा एपिसोड आपके दिमाग से स्लिप हो गया. ठीक है, तो what I suggest that you go to Ranchi once again. मैं ये कहता हूँ कि आप एक बार फिर से रांची चले जाओ. The sight of the place may remind you of your trip. हो सकता है वहां जाकर आप जब सब कुछ देखें तो आपको शायद याद आ जाए सब कुछ। दिस इज नॉट इम्पॉसिबल, ये कोई इम्पॉसिबल चीज नहीं है। मोर देन दैट आई कैन नॉट डू एट द मोमेंट, इससे ज्यादा अभी मैं आपकी और कोई हेल्प नहीं कर सकता। आई एम प्रिस्क्राइबिंग अ नर्व टॉनिक एंड अ ट्रैंक्विलाइजर। मैं अभी आपको कुछ मेडिसिन वगैरह दे रहा हूँ, जो इसकी स्ट्रेस वगैरह की मेडिसिन होती है वो दे रहा हूँ। स्लीप इज एसेंशियल और द सिम्टम्स विल गेट मोर प्रोनाउंस्ड। नींद बहुत जरूरी है, नहीं तो ये सिम्टम्स और ज्यादा एक्यूट हो जाएंगे। बिपिन बाबू फेल्ट समवट बेटर द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग। अब अगली मॉर्निंग थोड़े से उनको ठीक लग रहा था। आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट he rang up his office, gave some instructions and then procured a first class ticket for Ranchi for the same evening. अब उन्होंने ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद अपने ऑफिस में कॉल करके कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी और उनको बोला कि मैं अभी नहीं आऊंगा, मैं मतलब फिर उन्होंने टिकट्स बुक करवा दी। Getting off the train at Ranchi next morning, he realized at once that he had never been there before. अब जब वो रांची गए, उतरे स्टेशन पे, वहां उतरते ही उनको पता चल गया कि वो तो कभी यहाँ आए ही नहीं, उन्हें कुछ भी जाना पहचाना नहीं लगा। He came out of the station, took a taxi and drove around the town for a while. उन्होंने टैक्सी ली और थोड़ा यहाँ वहां घूमे। He realized that the streets, the buildings, the hotels, the bazaar, the Moravadi hill, with none of these had the slightest acquaintance. अब उन्होंने जब सारी चीजें देखी, होटल बाजार सब कुछ, उनको लगा कि कोई एक भी चीज मुझे फेमिलियर, जानी पहचानी नहीं लग रही। Would a trip to the Hadru Falls help? फिर उनको लगा कि हड्रू फॉल्स भी सब वो लोग बात कर रहे थे, तो एक बार वहां भी जाकर मैं देख लूं कि क्या है। He didn't believe so, but at the same time he didn't wish to leave with the feeling that he hadn't tried enough. वो वहां जाना नहीं चाहते थे, पर उन्होंने बोला कि अब चलो मैं रांची आ ही गया हूँ, तो एक बार वहां भी जाकर देख लूं। So he arranged for a car and left for Hadru in the afternoon. फिर वो दोपहर को हड्रू फॉल्स पहुंच गए। At 5 o'clock the same afternoon in Hadru, two Gujarati gentlemen from a group of picnickers discovered Bipin Babu lying unconscious beside a boulder. अब 5 बजे शाम को जब वो पहुंचे तो पता नहीं उनको स्ट्रेस था या क्या था, उसकी वजह से वो वहां जाकर बेहोश होकर गिर पड़े और वहां तो जो गुजराती जेंटलमैन थे उनको वो वहां पर बेहोशी की हालत में मिले। When he came round, the first thing Bipin Babu said was, "I'm finished. There is no hope left." जब वो उनको होश आया वापस तो उन्होंने बोल दिया कि लगता है मेरा आखिरी टाइम, लास्ट टाइम आ गया है, अब मुझे लगता नहीं कि मैं कभी ठीक हो पाऊंगा। नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग बिपिन बाबू वाज बैक इन कैलकाटा। अब वो वापस आ गए अगली मॉर्निंग कैलकाटा। ही रियलाइज्ड दैट देयर वाज ट्रूली नो होप फॉर हिम। उनको लगा वो सच में ही नहीं बच पाएंगे। सून ही वुड लूज एवरीथिंग। जल्दी ही वो सब कुछ भूल जाएंगे। हिज विल टू वर्क, हिज कॉन्फिडेंस, हिज एबिलिटी, हिज बैलेंस ऑफ माइंड, ये सारी चीजें खत्म हो जाएंगी। Was he going to end up in the asylum at? क्या वो पागल खाने में बाकी की जिंदगी गुजारेंगे? बिपिन बाबू couldn't think anymore, और वो इससे ज्यादा खराब सोच नहीं पाए। Back home, he rang up Dr. Chanda and asked him to come over. घर पहुंचकर उन्होंने डॉक्टर चंदा को कॉल किया, उनको बोला कि आप घर पे आओ। Then after a shower, he got into bed with an ice bag clamped on his head. फिर शावर लेकर आए, अपने रूम में अपने सिर पर एक आइस बैग रखकर बैठ गए। Just then the servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box. उसी टाइम उनका जो सर्वेंट था वो एक लेटर लेकर आया। वो लेटर उनके लेटर बॉक्स में पड़ा हुआ था। A greenish envelope with his name in red ink on it. उनका नाम लिखा हुआ था। Above the name it said urgent and confidential. उस लेटर के ऊपर लिखा हुआ था कि ये urgent और बहुत ही confidential है। In spite of his condition, Bipin Babu had a feeling that he ought to go through the letter. अब वो इतने खराब हालत में थे, फिर भी उनको लगा कि चलो मैं ये लेटर तो रीड कर ही देता हूँ। He tore open the envelope and took out the letter. उन्होंने लेटर निकाला। This is what he read. अब उसमें क्या लिखा था? Dear Bipin, I had no idea that affluence would bring about the kind of change in you that it has done. कि dear विपिन, मुझे ये आइडिया नहीं था कि जब तुम्हारी हालत अच्छी होगी, तुम अच्छी जॉब पे होंगे, तो तुम इस तरह से बदल जाओ. Was it so difficult for you to help out an old friend down on his luck? क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए इतना मुश्किल था कि तुम अपने एक ऐसे फ्रेंड की हेल्प करते जिसका खराब समय चल रहा हो? I have no money, so my resources are limited. मेरे पास मनी नहीं है तो मेरे रिसोर्सेज भी काफी लिमिटेड हैं. What I have is imagination, a part of which I use in retribution of your unfeeling behavior. मेरे पास सिर्फ एक इमेजिनेशन ही है और जिसको यूज करके मैंने तुम्हें सजा देने की कोशिश की है. Well, you will be all right again now. तुम बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाओगे. A novel I have written is being considered by a publisher. मैंने एक नॉवल लिखा है और एक पब्लिशर उसको छापने की सोच भी रहा है. If he likes it enough, it will see me through the next few months. अगर उसने मेरा नॉवल छाप दिया तो अगले कुछ महीने मेरा काम ठीक हो जाएगा. Yours चुन्नी, मतलब तुम्हारा चुन्नी लाल. When Dr. Chanda came, जब डॉक्टर चंदा आए, विपिन बाबू ने क्या बोला? I am fine. It all came back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi. एक्चुअल में चुन्नी लाल ने उससे बदला लिया था. ठीक है, ये सब करके, सबको बोल के, अपनी साइड करके विपिन बाबू से रिवेंज लिया था. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो उसकी हेल्प नहीं कर रहे थे जॉब लेने में. अब विपिन बाबू ने डॉक्टर चंदा को पहले से ही कॉल कर दिया था कि आ जाओ मेरे घर पे. तो जब वो आए तो उसने बोला कि अब मैं ठीक हूँ, मैं जब रांची स्टेशन पे उतरा मुझे सब कुछ याद आ गया. ऐसा उन्होंने झूठ बोल दिया उससे. अ यूनिक केस, डॉक्टर चंदा ने बोला कि हाँ आपका काफी यूनिक केस था. I shall certainly write about it in a medical journal. मैं इस केस के बारे में जरूर लिखूंगा हमारे जर्नल में. The reason why I sent for you, मैंने तो विपिन बाबू ने बोला कि मैंने आपको इससे बुलाया है that I have a pain in the hip from a fall, कि मेरे बैक में पेन हो गई है क्योंकि मैं गिर गया था रांची में. If you could prescribe a painkiller, प्लीज आप मुझे थोड़ी पेन किलर लिख के दे दो. Okay. So this was the story.
Ma'am, at last it was prank.
It was a prank.
मैम सस्पेंस वाली स्टोरी.
यस मैम.
क्या?
मैम मुझे सस्पेंस वाली स्टोरी अच्छी लगती है.
हाँ, सबको अच्छी लगती है. वो विपिन बाबू भी सस्पेंस वाली स्टोरी भी लिखता था. विपिन बाबू घोस्ट स्टोरीज, थ्रिलर, यही बुक्स लिखता था.
ये बहुत खराब लोग हैं मैम. ये क्या है यार, ये चुन्नी लाल ऐसे
क्या?
रिवेंज लेता है ऐसे चुन्नी लाल. बुरा
अब
किया.
यार ये तो सबकी अपनी सोच है. कौन
मेरे को लास्ट वाला.
Yes, tell me your doubt.
Ma'am, but when Parliament does not change the law only, then what will happen?
Parliament, if does not change the law.
Yes, ma'am. So what will happen?
Parliament is not changing the law, what will happen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see, what I'm saying is that, listen, just take a very small example. Think your school is a parliament. Just think your school is a parliament, okay? Now, your school has given a rules that constant 3 days, you have exam of 100 marks. Just example. Constant 3 days, suppose Monday English, Tuesday maths, and Wednesday science, all this. Constant 3 days, all main subjects, English, maths, science. Constant 3 days you have your exam. Now, if majority of the students, if they are protesting or if they are demanding that ma'am, or they are telling to principal of your school that we need a 1 day gap in between this exam. Majority of students, maximum students of the school, if they are demanding or they are requesting that we want 1 day gap in between. Suppose Monday, if there is exam, Tuesday should be gap, then Wednesday, Thursday gap, Friday. Okay. So you have to express your logic reason behind it. Why do you want a gap in between? If it is really, if sounds logically, your principal is bound to change the timetable of your exam. Think that school is a parliament and you students are the people of the state. Okay. Then it has to be logically proved that whatever you are claiming, there is a logical reason behind it. Without that, parliament obviously will not change. You have to show that if we are, sorry, okay, if you are abiding that law, if you are following the first law, we are facing this much of problem. So you can also say that English, first exam English, it is okay, fine. Second, on Tuesday only you have maths, and that is also 200 marks paper. So within a half day, it is not, it becomes really very much trouble for many students to cover all the syllabus of 100 marks within that evening. So you may say that at least we need a 1 day gap. If it is really logically, it is proving, your principal will definitely change the timetable of your exam. The same way, take principal as a leader of the country. School is a parliament. Principal is a leader of the country. Okay, all the ministers, central ministers, and all students take as a people of the state or people of the country. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here it is saying that here students what will do? Students will express their point to their parents. So maybe first students will come, a group of students will come, they will take the permission, they will request to the principal. First they will request to the class teacher, subject teachers, and then it will pass on to the principal. If you are saying that yes, she or he is executing your problem, then it is okay. If it is not executing, means if it is not giving solution, then you will convey this message to your parents. So maybe 3-4 parents all together, they will come and they will request, they will ask. So this is the same thing, but here you are going directly to the principal, but they are going through media, newspaper, print media or electronic media. That is television, newspaper, magazines. But nowadays, social medias are also there. This Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, all this. So within this, through these social medias, they are going to express. So understood, this is the scenario. So if, suppose I told you, a principal really thinks that yes, children really need at least 1 day practice for their maths exam because it is 100 marks paper. If he or she thinks, yes, children need this practice, we can give at least 1 day gap. So she will change. Same here. The minister of the country, minister of the state, that is only parliament. Parliament what? Parliament means what? That is central staff, council of ministers. There is a parliament. So if they think, yes, what people are claiming that they cannot abide this law, they cannot follow this law because of this reason, these are the problem they can face. So they will change it. They will change definitely for the favor of the people. They will definitely change if there is a logical reason behind it. If they understand, if they believe that if that the law which we have framed, it is giving some trouble to the people, they can face this sort of problem, they are bound to change. Understood?
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Sure, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So the same thing it is said that, so they claim their problem, they share their views and opinion through these medias, and these citizens have full right to express their opinion through medias. And if parliament thinks, if they believe, if they get proper reasoning, they can change the law for the benefit of the people of the state or the whole country. And repressive laws means that the laws which you cannot enjoy, which is preventing your freedom. The repressive laws means the laws which you cannot enjoy, which you cannot follow, which is preventing your freedom. Understood? That is repressive laws.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please continue.
Okay, ma'am. For example, various municipal laws on the use of space within
Have
municipal.
you finished the whole paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
When a large number of people begin to fill, this one you have finished?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
last line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So have you understood the last line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Jay, let me give other student also to read, because you have read one full paragraph. So who wants to read?
Ma'am, may I?
Pankti,
Yes, ma'am.
today you have the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read.
For example, various municipal laws on the use of space within municipal limits often make hawking and street vending illegal. No one will dispute the necessity for some rules to keep the public space open so that people can walk on the pavements easily. However, one also cannot deny that hawkers and vendors provide essential services cheaply and efficiently to the millions living in a large city. This is their means of livelihood. Hence, if the law favors
Stop. So it is giving a municipal laws which pass that there should be no hawker. There should be no hawker on the pavement. They should not open any shop on the street, because pavement or the side, that is footpath or pavement, that is actually used for the people to walk. So they just cannot reserve half of the pavement for their business. They cannot do that. So this is one kind of laws, but just say that, do you think that anyone will go against of this business? Any people will criticize? Any people will protest against it? Do you think so?
No.
Ma'am, no, but they should do that.
Nah, see, yes, some group of people are there. The businessmen, those are having their own shop. You know, they protest. They sometimes complain. They sometimes protest. They think that the impression of their shop get destroyed by these hawkers, by the street shop. So they sometimes protest. But at the same time, it is also true that the things which you can buy from the shop, the street shop, at a cheap rate, with the same rate you cannot get in other shop. Maybe the quality is little bit different. It will differ in little bit different quality will get. But still, it is lasting also. It lasts. It also runs for a long time. Yes, Agni?
Yes, ma'am. I was saying that, ma'am, can you please tell me the meaning of repressive?
Repressive means that the laws which you cannot enjoy, which is preventing your freeness, your freedom, जो आपका freedom को stop करता है, that is repressive laws. If you are not getting that laws, that means you can go and protest against that law, which is preventing your freedom.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I was saying that, yes, so some businessmen, some shopkeepers are there who protest against these street hawkers. But do you think that Parliament or the government, they will follow the rules? They will consider that they will remove the street hawkers permanently from all the area of the state?
No, ma'am.
Say?
No, ma'am.
Say everyone properly. Always this boy gives answer and other remains quiet. Why?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why, Manjar? Why no, ma'am? Why no? ये जब भी मैं किसी को कुछ पूछती हूँ ये सब वीडियो ऑफ कर देते हैं. It is really very bad habit, huh? Whenever I ask question, some students always turn their video off. Yes, come on, Nesvi, you say.
No, because government cannot say to all the street businessmen that go.
Sorry, say once again.
That all the businessmen of the street can go by government.
Manjar, explain.
Can you
Question. I said that why Parliament will not listen for the removal of these street hawkers.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Now I can't hear
Ma'am, Joy.
what you say. Manjar, you say again, unmute and say. Wait, please, let her try. If she cannot say, then other will say.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the parliament leaders and tell no to street shoppers, because if they tell no to the street shoppers, so they
We are not getting, can you hear our voice, students?
Ma'am.
It's coming. Her voice
I
is
also can't hear.
no, ma'am.
You
Ma'am,
tell
I
me, please. You tell me. इसका क्या नाम है?
Manjar.
Hitaksh, you say. Why no one is responding properly?
Ma'am, may I say?
Say.
Yes, ma'am. That the hawkers in the streets, ma'am, they pay to the government for their place in the streets. That's why.
Can I,
Say
ma'am,
once
Joy?
again.
Ma'am, I am saying that, ma'am, the hawkers that are in the streets, ma'am, they pay to the government, ma'am, for their place in the market.
No.
Can I, ma'am, Joy?
Ma'am, may I?
Those who pay the tax to the government, they are the proper shop owner, not the street hawkers.
Can I, ma'am, Joy?
Yes.
Ma'am, because
Jay,
ma'am,
you were, tell me, Jay, you were in 7th standard also, you were there in this institution?
no, ma'am.
When you were in 7th standard, you were in this institution?
No, ma'am. I am joined from 8th only.
Okay, fine. Say yes, please explain.
Ma'am, because ma'am, they provide the services, ma'am, cheaply, and they provide the ma'am many things to large number of people of our country.
Yes, they provide the products at a cheap rate. They do not pay any tax to the government. They are not paying. That is the reason why shopkeepers will protest against them. That they are not paying any tax. Okay. They are not paying any tax. Still they are doing business and they are earning also. And they are reserving the space even. So that is the thing, they are getting a chance. Shopkeepers always get the chance to go and protest against it. Understood? Many times we have seen tea stall or bag, suppose bag or
Yes.
spices. Women, they are selling spices. Okay, then this cotton bags, jute bags. Many times we have seen. In the
Yes, ma'am.
market, if you go to grocery market, vegetable market, you can see all the stall you can see, and along with it, along with
food-
that, along with the vendors, you can see some women or men, they are sitting on the road. Okay, they have placed the carpet, plastic or carpet like that, and they are selling hanky, jute bag, cotton bags, sometimes spices.
Ma'am,
Sorry?
toys shop. Toys shop, ma'am.
Toys, yes, toys also.
The big,
And
ma'am,
they are
hawker-
selling at very cheap rate. Suppose that hanky, see, use of hanky is almost same for everyone, whether it is boys hanky or girls hanky. So
The
they
quality-
add to this, I'll tell you. Suppose you may get the hanky from that shop, from street hawkers, you may get of 5 rupees, for example. Same hanky or little better quality. Little better quality, if you go and buy from the shop, that will cost you 15 rupees, 1-5. So it's a difference of 10 rupees.
ma'am,
You
10
understand?
rupees. 10 rupees
This,
difference.
this is the reason. Because of this reason, actually, what happened? They have lot of demand by the people. People has lot of demand for these street hawkers. This is the reason they may shift the position. They may shift the place from there to there.
Ma'am,
But
mainly
permanently, no one can remove them. Permanently, because government also knows. Government also knows that these street hawkers, they sell the things at a very cheap rate and their quality is always not bad.
Ma'am,
Always the quality is not bad. So
Ma'am,
that is why they will not remove.
things from
If anyone
hawkers.
is, what are you saying, Pankti?
Ma'am, and most of the people buy groceries and all from the street hawkers only.
Yes, yes, yes. Many people buy so kitchen items. Then sometimes rough use shoes for rough use, or these shoes for any season, plastic shoes. So all this you can buy from there at a very cheap rate. Obviously, will not go to Adidas for buying shoes for any season. Will you? Adidas में चले जाओगे?
And
Any season का shoes खरीदने, sandal खरीदने, slipper खरीदने? Definitely not. So all these products we can get from street hawkers at very cheap rate. So government, if other shopkeepers also protesting or they're criticizing against the street hawkers, parliament or government will not listen at a time. They will think, they will discuss. It will take a lot of time to take the decision. Okay, please continue.
yes,
So,
ma'am.
however, one also cannot deny that hawkers and vendors provide essential services cheaply and efficiently to the millions living in a large city. As I told you, a mass of people, group of people, a big crowd. We can always see that there is a big crowd against this street and means in front of this shop of the street hawkers and vendors. Now,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is their means of livelihood. In this way, they are earning their livelihood, they are earning their money. And then, if the law favors one group and disregards the other, it will be controversial and lead to conflict. So if one law is taking the favor of the street hawkers and other law is not taking the favor of the street hawkers, then it will be biased decision. Bias means not taking proper favor of anyone. Bias means partiality karna. That means the government is partially. Government is partial for one law and the other law. Government cannot be partial. Government has to take the decision for the all benefit of the people, for all people, for their beneficial. So controversy nahi hona chahiye. It is not like the controversy that one law is supporting, one group is supporting the hawkers, and one group is not supporting. It should not be like this. It should be one decision. Either they will be there or they will be not there. Simple. Not any biased decision. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Now, people who think that law is not fair can approach the court to decide on the issue. The court has the power to modify or cancel laws if it finds that they don't adhere to the constitution. That if the parliament finds, see, parliament can make laws, can change law, and also parliament can make laws, can change law, can amend the law, anything they can do. Parliament can do any kind of thing. But as I told you, that has to follow the proper rules of the constitution. Whatever you are approaching, the new law which you are approaching, it has to follow the proper rules of the constitution, and it must have the logical reason. Then only court or parliament or government will change. Otherwise, they will not change. Clear?
Yes,
Now the
ma'am.
last paragraph. Yes,
Yes,
Teeth, please read. Teeth, read last paragraph. Do you remember photo?
Ma'am, whole paragraph last.
Achha, I am reading the first one, then you read the last one. Wait. Do you remember the photo essay on the women's movement in the class 7 book? Do you remember, children? The photo of class 7 SST book, I mean civics book. The photos there show the different ways in which citizens can protest, campaign, and show solidarity. The following pictures point to other ways in which people protest unjust laws. That means it's a unity. It's a unity and it's a campaign among women where they are protesting against any unjust law. What is unjust law? What do you mean by unjust law? Huh?
Ma'am means which is has been good for citizens, which do partiality.
Which is not supportive. Unjust means which you cannot follow, which is giving you some trouble. You're facing some difficulties. That is unjust. Unjust means kuch galat. That is unjust. Something which is wrong. That is unjust. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now carry on, please, Teeth.
Yes, ma'am. We need to remember that our role as citizens does not end with
Children,
electing.
is it raining at your place?
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, just 1 minute, please. Just 1 minute. Yes, can you?
Yes, ma'am. We need to remember that our role as citizens does not end with electing our representatives. Rather, it is then that we begin to use newspapers and the media to carefully.
Please, I'm getting a lot of noise from your background.
Ma'am, it is may computer sound. It may be.
Then you don't read. Wait.
Ma'am, may I read?
Read, Sagnik.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you read any paragraph?
No,
Have you
ma'am.
read any paragraph today?
Ma'am,
Okay.
till now
Read.
we need to
Okay,
remember
read.
our role as citizens does not end with electing our representatives. Rather, it is then that we begin to use newspapers and the media to carefully chart the work that is being done by our MPs and criticize their actions when we feel it is required. Thus, what we should bear in mind is that it is the extent, involvement, and enthusiasm of the people that helps Parliament perform its representative functions properly.
Yes. So it is saying that we need to remember the role of a citizen also, that we should not go too far extent. Means we have to be in a limitation. If we are asking Parliament to change or amendment any law,
then there should be a proper reason behind it. Whimsically, we cannot say anything. Whimsically, randomly, we cannot ask Parliament or any other minister to change the law. So we should also understand the role of all citizens as well. Rather, it is then that we use newspapers and media to carefully chart the work. That means what? Through newspaper and through media, we can understand the work on the role of the MPs and ministers. And when we do not like it, then we criticize against them. That only we do. Yes or no? From where you come to know the role and functions of the ministers? Obviously,
Yes.
by watching news on television, or by reading newspaper, or by the role of magazines. You read the role functions and the role of other ministers, foreign
Social media.
minister, all types of ministers in the state. So when you read all this, and you know one thing, let me tell you that not only against ministers we can protest, we can also protest against any kind of movie, any kind of advertisement. Even that also we can protest. Suppose if any movie, any title of the movie, any,
Padmavati, ma'am. Padmavati has
yes, yes, even there was another movie also. I do not know whether you have watched or not. Billu Barber, it's type of movie. Do you know?
ma'am, no.
Actually, the title was Billu Barber. Okay, Billu Barber. That movie is actually its movies about a barber whose name was Billu, Billu. Whole this film industry, whole these medias, they protested because they said that it is insulting into the family of barber. Those who are barber, they are insulting this movie. They're hitting, they're humiliating this barber group, this barber profession. So within a month, they have censored the title, and then the movie again released, and next time the movie came with the title only Billu, Billu. Barber has been edited. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is not only that we have a full right, we have a lot of rights, you know, as a citizen we have a lot of rights. If we are not satisfied with something, definitely we can change, we can request to change. So it is not only about the laws of the country, laws of the state, it can be advertisement, it can be any title, it can be even the heading of anything, heading of any shop, movie of the title, anything it can be. So if it is humiliating or insulting, or any time that anyone can feel that they are putting down, okay, they are putting their impression in a down. So you have full right to protest, go against it, you have full right to criticize, and they are bound to change it. Clear? So here it is same thing, it is saying that we can come to know about the function of these ministers from these medias, electronic and print media, and when we require, we always criticize it. Now, thus what should we bear in mind? That means what we should keep in our mind. Bear in mind means we should keep in our mind that it is the extent, involvement, and enthusiasm of the people. It is the extent, it is the involvement and support of the people, enthusiasm to make others enthusiastic, that Parliament should perform representative functions properly. That Parliament should perform. See, it is not that always we have to protest. We can definitely discuss, we can definitely support the laws and decision of the Parliament as well. Not only we are there to protest, not only we are there to criticize.
Ma'am, we can debate on the issue. We can debate it.
Yes, you can discuss, you can debate on the issue. You can, yes, sometimes they goes for very deep argument as well. You know, they go for very deep argument also.
Yes, ma'am. In
This
that
much we have in this chapter, children.
been told that the first work has been started with the question hours.
Sorry?
Ma'am, you have told na that in every time we don't have to protest. We sometimes we need to discuss and debate. Ma'am, in the parliamentary
Yes,
form, first rule
yes,
which
yes, you can go. Definitely,
hour.
definitely you can go. And you can also have a discussion. You can have a meeting also. Definitely you can go there. That is
Yes,
open for all, but within a particular time.
yes, ma'am. That can be also in the question hours of a parliament.
That is why it is called na Lok Sabha.
Yes, ma'am. The
That
house
is
of
Lok Sabha. That is lower house. Okay? Lok Sabha उसमें ही होता है. Lok Sabha means what? People. For general people. Meeting for general people. That is Lok Sabha. Okay? So this much we have in this chapter. So is it clear and understood to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now please read. Now still we have 10 minutes time. So read the paragraph. If you get any confusion, anywhere you have not understood, please ask.
Ma'am? Ma'am, can I stop my video because it's raining in here and I have network issues.
Yes, yes. Turn the video off. Any question, children?
No, ma'am.
I'm asking to everyone.
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Meet, why you are putting your thumbs down? That means you have a doubt.
No, ma'am.
Meet, you have put your thumb down. That means you have a doubt, right?
Ma'am, I was saying like that I don't have doubt.
Acha, you don't have any doubt. Okay. Who is this one? Jenny. He has shown his thumb is up. That means it is clear to him. Everyone. Rudra, Mahavir. This Katan, everyone. Shaurya. Chapter is clear to everyone because I'm sure your teacher will ask you question. Preksha ma'am will ask you question on Monday. So please give answer properly.
Okay, ma'am.
See, only these three boys, always they turn their video on. They always respond very promptly and very nicely. They respond. They're very active. That is Jay, Tirth, and Sagni. These three boys are really, really very prompt, very active, very generous, very lively also. But other students, they always turn their video off. I cannot see also what they are doing. I do not understand if they are having any doubt. They never ask any question. They never ask any doubt. They never discussed anything. It seems that only there are 3 students in the class. Though there are so many students.
Ma'am, my video is always on, but it's raining and I have network issues. That's why it's
Now,
off.
that is okay, right? Okay, fine. You have turned the video because it is raining. But what about others? Kevin, Rudra, Nesvi,
Ma'am.
Devam, Meet. This Meet, I have not seen this boy only.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell me, when we say that you get a prison for this year's to this section, this number of law. Ma'am, what is the meaning of section in that section?
Section.
Yes, ma'am. That you get prison for this year, this number of years in the section of law 365. That. Ma'am, what is the meaning of in this sentence of section?
Where it is written? Where it is written?
Asking generously.
Yes, I have also found section. Section means, see, in different sections, laws has been categorized in different section. Suppose we say now in this article, the property law is falling in this article. Article 120A, Article 17, Article 19. We have a laws for freedom, laws for property. So these are articles. See, these articles have been categorized in different sections. See, you have sections 8A, 8B. You have section in school. Yes or
ma'am.
no? Why?
Yes.
Why section has been divided into? Why class has been divided into sections? Because you have so many students. So many students cannot fit in one classroom. Okay? So many students cannot fit in one classroom. That is why they have divided into 2 or 3 sections, 8A, 8B, 8C, like this. So there are so many laws. There are so many laws. These laws have been divided into different sections, and these sections have a lot of articles. See, for example, property. There are so many issues of the property. For selling, there is one rule. For buying, there is another rule. For exchanging, there is another rule. For half buying property, another rule. So many laws. So these property laws, for example, if I say Article 21A, example. So Article 21A is a section where you can get the property laws of buying. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Sagnik, if it is not clear, then again you ask me.
मैम नो मैम क्लियर मैम समझ में आ गया मैम के ना जैसे कि आपने एग्जांपल दिया कि एक क्लास में इतने सारे बच्चों को नहीं रखा जा सकता वैसे भी इतने सारों को तो ऐसा नहीं किया जा सकता ना इसलिए हमारे पास इतने सारे सेक्शंस
होते हैं यस दैट इज सेक्शन डिफरेंट सेक्शन में है देखो अपने ऐसे भी बोलते हैं नॉट ओनली इफ आई एम गिविंग अनदर एग्जांपल सो सपोज इफ यू गो टू बैंक व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू बैंक so one counter is where you can withdraw money. One counter is where you can deposit money. One counter you will get some problem of ATM. One counter is there who is only dealing with loan purpose. So these are, we do not say this section. We say there are different departments of the bank.
Dividing.
We say this bank has 3-4 departments. So instead of departments, you can also, but see, in school you cannot say we have departments of classroom. That you cannot say. All that meaning are same. Only we are using different terms for different category. We are using for school we are using section. For bank we are using department. Okay. So this is the main meaning of section and department. So we have different section of laws and these laws are there with articles. हर एक articles में अलग अलग section है. प्रॉपर्टी का सेक्शन अलग स्कूल एडमिशन का सेक्शन अलग एजुकेशन लॉ का सेक्शन अलग सो ऑल दीज आर डिफरेंट सेक्शंस क्लियर
क्लियर मैम क्लियर
ओके
Yes, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन प्लीज
No, ma'am.
फुल्ली क्लियर you can answer all the questions from this chapter if she asks you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pankti, you can also say.
Yes, ma'am. The much I have studied.
Sorry.
मैम जहाँ से मैंने पढ़ा उतना मैं कर सकती हूँ.
जहाँ से आपने पढ़ा वहां तक कर सकते हो. कहाँ से आपने पढ़ा है? It is unpopular and controversial law.
जो मैम उसके पहले जो स्टोरी बोर्ड है वो भी किया था.
हाँ, the story also, but before the story you are not there. That you are saying. Means first 2 pages,
Yes,
2-3
ma'am.
pages you are not there. That means on Tuesday you are not there.
Yes, ma'am. I wasn't there. Actually, my exams ended on Wednesday, so after that I started joining the classes.
Okay, okay. So it is also easy. It's not hard. Those have attended. I think when she will do the revision, She will again explain you, because now I don't have that much of time, just only 1 minute left. So it is just in G's time telling you, it was that British laws, there are so many British laws, and arbitrary means you are giving your choice, your decision. So this was given to Indians when British was in a rule, when they started this rule. So this was stopped by the constitution, colonial courts first. This was stopped by the colonial courts. And then this process began. That is the main thing. Understood? If you read the page, first two to three pages, you will
Yes,
understand.
ma'am.
Okay. So children, then from
Okay, ma'am.
next week, Preksha ma'am will carry on. She will take your class. So everyone, please study well. All the best. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.